Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on target identification and validation strategies in modern drug discovery. In our previous lecture, we discussed drug targets and their importance in the drug discovery process. Today, we will take the next step and explore how scientists actually discover these targets and confirm that they are suitable for therapeutic intervention. Target identification and validation form the foundation of modern drug discovery. A poor target can lead to years of failed research and unsuccessful clinical trials. A well validated target can lead to breakthrough therapies that transform patient care. By the end of this lecture, you will understand how targets are identified, prioritized, validated, and prepared for drug development. In this lecture, we will cover 5 major topics. First, we will understand the concept of target identification. Second, we will examine the major sources of potential drug targets. Third, we will discuss target prioritization. Fourth, we will learn various target validation strategies. And finally, we will explore modern technologies that are transforming target discovery. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Target identification is the process of discovering biological molecules that play a critical role in disease development or progression. These molecules may include proteins, genes, RNA molecules, receptors, enzymes, ion channels, transporters, or signaling pathway components. The objective is simple. Scientists want to identify a molecule whose activity can be modified to improve a disease condition. In other words, target identification answers one important question: which molecule should we modulate to treat the disease? Drug discovery begins with understanding disease biology. Without identifying the correct target, even a highly potent drug may fail to provide clinical benefits. Target identification helps researchers understand disease mechanisms. It reveals new therapeutic opportunities. It improves drug selectivity and reduces unwanted side effects. Most importantly, it increases the probability of clinical success. This is why target identification is considered one of the most critical stages of the entire drug discovery pipeline. Potential drug targets can originate from many sources. Researchers may study disease biology, human genetics, gene expression patterns, proteins, metabolites, and molecular interaction networks. Modern drug discovery integrates data from multiple scientific disciplines. This multidisciplinary approach increases confidence in target selection and improves the chances of identifying therapeutically relevant molecules. Let us now examine these sources one by one. One of the most important sources of drug targets is disease biology. Scientists investigate how diseases develop and progress at the molecular level. They identify abnormal proteins, dysregulated signaling pathways, and cellular defects associated with disease. For example, excessive production of inflammatory cytokines contributes to autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis. This observation led to the development of anti TNF therapies. Understanding disease mechanisms often provides the first clues for identifying therapeutic targets. Human genetics has revolutionized target discovery. Researchers use genome wide association studies, also known as GWAS, to identify genetic variants associated with disease risk. Genes linked to disease susceptibility often represent attractive therapeutic targets. One famous example is the PCSK9 gene. Researchers discovered that mutations in this gene influence cholesterol levels. This finding ultimately led to the development of PCSK9 inhibitors for hypercholesterolemia. Targets supported by human genetic evidence tend to have higher success rates in clinical development. Transcriptomics focuses on gene expression. Scientists compare healthy tissues with diseased tissues to identify genes that are differentially expressed. Genes that are significantly upregulated or downregulated may play important roles in disease progression. Technologies such as RNA sequencing and single cell RNA sequencing have greatly improved our ability to identify these genes. Transcriptomic data often provide valuable insights into disease associated molecular changes. While genes provide important information, proteins perform most biological functions. Proteomics studies the complete set of proteins expressed in a cell, tissue, or organism. Researchers investigate changes in protein abundance, protein interactions, and post translational modifications. Mass spectrometry has become a powerful tool for proteomic analysis. Proteomics helps identify disease-associated proteins that may serve as potential therapeutic targets. Metabolomics examines small molecules and metabolic products within biological systems. Changes in metabolism frequently accompany disease progression. For example, cancer cells exhibit altered metabolic pathways that support rapid growth and proliferation. By studying these metabolic changes, researchers can identify enzymes and pathways suitable for therapeutic intervention. Metabolomics therefore provides another valuable source of drug targets. Modern biomedical research generates enormous amounts of data. Bioinformatics helps scientists analyze and integrate this information. Systems biology goes one step further by studying how genes, proteins, and pathways interact within complex biological networks. Instead of focusing on a single molecule, researchers can identify key regulatory nodes that control entire disease processes. This approach is particularly useful for complex diseases such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. After identifying multiple potential targets, researchers must decide which ones deserve further investigation. This process is known as target prioritization. Several factors are considered. Is the target strongly associated with the disease? Is it druggable? Can it be measured experimentally? Is it likely to be safe? The highest ranked targets are selected for validation studies. Target validation is the process of proving that modulating a target produces the desired therapeutic effect. Identification alone is not enough. Scientists must demonstrate that altering target activity can influence disease progression. Successful validation provides confidence that the target is biologically relevant and therapeutically useful. Strong validation greatly improves the likelihood of successful drug development. One common validation strategy involves gene knockout experiments. In these studies, researchers remove a specific gene from an organism. They then observe the biological consequences. If deleting the gene improves disease symptoms, the target may be therapeutically valuable. Knockout mouse models remain widely used in biomedical research and drug discovery. RNA interference or RNAi is another powerful validation tool. Small RNA molecules are used to reduce the expression of specific genes. This allows researchers to evaluate the functional importance of a target. If silencing the target improves disease related outcomes, confidence in the target increases. RNAi has played an important role in both basic research and therapeutic development. CRISPR-Cas9 has transformed modern biology. This technology enables precise editing of specific genes. Scientists can delete genes, introduce mutations, activate genes, or suppress gene expression. CRISPR screening allows researchers to evaluate thousands of genes simultaneously. As a result, CRISPR has become one of the most powerful tools for target discovery and validation. Researchers also validate targets using pharmacological tools. These may include small molecules, monoclonal antibodies, biologics, or chemical probes. The target is activated or inhibited, and the resulting biological response is measured. This approach closely resembles how future drugs will function in patients. Therefore, pharmacological validation provides highly relevant evidence. Cell based models provide controlled systems for studying target function. Scientists evaluate effects on cell growth, survival, differentiation, migration, and signaling pathways. Recent advances in stem cell technology allow researchers to generate patient derived cellular models. These models often provide more clinically relevant information than traditional cell lines. Animal studies remain an essential component of target validation. Researchers use mice, rats, zebra fish, and other organisms to evaluate target function within a complete biological system. Animal models help assess therapeutic efficacy, safety, toxicity, and pharmacodynamic effects. However, it is important to remember that animal models do not always accurately predict human responses. Biomarkers are measurable indicators of biological activity. They help researchers determine whether a target has been successfully modulated. Examples include blood biomarkers, imaging biomarkers, and molecular biomarkers. Biomarkers play a crucial role during both preclinical and clinical development. They provide evidence that the therapeutic strategy is working as intended. A classic example of successful target validation is HER2 positive breast cancer. Researchers discovered that HER2 was overexpressed in a subset of breast cancer patients. Further studies demonstrated that HER2 signaling promoted tumor growth. The target was rigorously validated using molecular, cellular, and clinical approaches. This ultimately led to the development of trastuzumab and other HER2 targeted therapies. These treatments have significantly improved patient outcomes worldwide. Thank you and see you in the next session.